This is a 1990 BMW Harsco M923A2 cargo truck. This 5-ton unit comes without a winch. It's powered by a Cummins 6-cylinder diesel engine with 51,401.1 miles listed and 1,540.2 hours of operation. There's also a cargo tarp and troop seats in the bed. This truck does have some rust and 2 tires are flat. Please see our website for further details. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.